Hello, geometry students. Okay. Independent practice, then you do the exit ticket, and your weekend starts as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so I'm going to look at this problem. You know what? I don't like this problem. I'm done already. It's something with trapezoids. I'm not even looking at it. Don't even look at it. Okay. What I'm going to do is go to this problem. Number 5. Okay? So this is the problem I'm going to focus on. So the heck with everything else. We're going to rebel. We're going to do something different. We're going to go against the grain, not what they tell us to do. Because usually you don't do that in math. Math is all about following rules. But today, we're not following rules. We're living outside the rules. Okay, so I got 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I look at this shape. It's a kite, obviously, because it looks like a kite. Remember, it can be upside down like this, too. So a kite is these little crosses, okay, in a kite. They're always there. These are called the diagonals. And they always, what's interesting about them is that they meet at 90-degree angles. If you really looked at them close, this would be a 90-degree angle. They'd all be 90-degree angles. If you look at my other kites in these examples, they all meet at 90-degree angles. That's what makes a kite a kite. It has to meet at a 90-degree angle. So even something like this that's very symmetrical, using a word from Monday, symmetrical, they meet at 90 degrees. Or it's very asymmetrical, something like this or this. They still meet at 90 degrees. Very interesting. Okay, but that's what makes a kite a kite. Now, there are 2 diagonals, one going across and one going up and down in our case. Okay, so, but they're pointing to a whole bunch of different things here. Okay? I want to label these because I don't want to be confused. I'm going to call this one a blue one. That one's 10 millimeters. See how that says 10 millimeters? I'll draw the arrow in blue. Then I'm going to draw this next one over here in brown. It looks like it's brown. It looks a little black on my video screen here, but brown. Another 10 meters. Let's go. I did blue already. Let's do green. I'm going to do green for this one, and they say this one is 20 meters. And then finally I'm going to do red over here for this one, and they say red is 10 meters. Now, this is not what the whole diagonal is. The diagonal is red plus green. So this diagonal is 10 plus the green side plus 20. So my diagonal 1, I'll call that diagonal, 10 plus 20 is 30. Now my diagonal 2, well, one is blue, which is 10, plus the other one, which is brown, which is also 10, and that equals 20, or as we're going to call it, diagonal number 2. So I have 2 diagonals. So let's get back to the other sheet of paper. I'm going to try and move this up, and I'm going to put now the formula in black, because we use all these different colors, for our thing here. So the formula for area is 1/2 D1 times D2. Now remember, it's the whole line across. This is where a lot of people mess up. So let's do this again. So area equals 1/2. D1, I called 30, and I put it in green. So I'll put it in green here to remain consistent. And then D2, I put in brown, and I said it was 20. Now, this is all multiplication. So in my calculator, if you want to do it in one step, you can write it like this. Which I'm completely fine with, and I'm going to go do it that way myself. You can also find what 30 times 20 is. You know what 30 times 20 is? 600. So half of 600 is 300. You can do it that way, but I'm just going to do it in the calculator just to be safe. I'm going to say, let's clear out this so we just watch what I'm doing. Parentheses 1 divided by 2 times 30 times 20. I hit enter. 300. So the area, well, this is meters, right? So the area is equal to 300 meters squared. So now you know how to do the area of a trapezoid, and you know how to do the area of a kite. Okay, so remember, these videos are up. I'm not taking them down. They're up for as long as YouTube exists. So if you ever need to go back to these, let's say you're on the quiz, you need a little hint as to how to do the quiz problem, come back here and do the problem. Okay? Watch the video again. All right. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your weekend. I hope everything's great there. I hope everyone's safe and healthy, and stay safe and healthy. Wash your hands, I guess. Wear your masks. I don't know. Keep 6 feet away from everyone. Don't eat too much. I'm getting fat. You guys should see me. I must be like 300 pounds now. It's disgusting. I'm just eating and I'm not doing anything. I just sit here and make videos for you guys and eat all day. Yeah. Don't go outside much, right? So I'm just kidding. I'm not really 300 pounds. But I am getting fat, and I'm going to go for a run today. You guys get some exercise, but keep your social distance. I'll talk to you later.